Hey friends, it's your girl Kia back with another video, of course. And I got my nice little sparkly background. I miss filming over here. So I'm back with a wig. She is from UNiceHair. The wig is a 20-inch, 180% density, 13x4 lace front wig. HD lace at that. The original texture of this wig is body wave, but as you can see, I ended up straightening her. And here I'm just going to snip off that lace. So originally, I started out with a completely different style that I ended up doing. So at first, I was going to do this swoop. So I do show you how I did this swoop with the straight down sleek look. But I ended up changing it to the half up, half down later on in the video. So I was going for a super duper deep side part. It was cute, but I like it better in a half up, half down. So this is how the swoop looked before I ended up taking the wig all the way off altogether. And I went back in to curl her instead of straighten. This hair curled very well, and wand curls really do last a decent amount of time. And even though they do last a long time, I still decided to pin curl them. So I know these are going to be in, girl, for a very long time. I parted out this U section instead of doing the full front of the wig and parting it up and putting it in a ponytail. I just wanted to do this U part in the very middle, so the sides I could still tuck behind my ears. And you know, since I did have it in a swoop, I have to use my hot comb and slick it back. So that's what I'm doing here. I decided to install the wig before I actually slick that ponytail up because I want her to be super slick and super laid, but I need to have her on my head to do so. So I'm using some freeze spray just to tack her down. Make sure if you are doing baby hairs, you want to part that out before you slick your hair in a ponytail. And to ensure that I got the ponytail as flat as possible, I decided to take my pin curls out. Now, at first, I was going to leave my ponytail like this and just curl it, but I wanted it to be a little bit thicker. So I did just get some random hair. I don't even know where it's from. And I decided to basically wrap it around the ponytail just to give it a lot more fuller look. And I think it came out so cute. Get that fluffy baby hairs look, you want to use a really small flat iron. And I got this from my beauty supply that's like right up the street, and it was only like $6. And once you are done curling up your ponytail, you can either add a scrunchie or leave it how it is, and you are done. I love it. It's so cute, especially since this wig is shorter. I think it gives it a more classy look. So if you did want to try this wig out, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.